What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the user profile service failed to sign in error that you may be facing. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, most likely your screen looks something like this, where it says the user profile service failed to sign in, user profile cannot be loaded. So the first thing you want to do is basically press the shift key on your keyboard, and then over here where you see this power button, press that to restart your computer. Once you do that, you're basically going to enter into this specific screen, which is to get it into the troubleshoot mode, which you're going to see over here, and you're going to reset your PC. Most likely this is happening because you did a full refresh on your computer, but even if you didn't and you're getting this error, once you do this, you want to click into troubleshoot, and then once you click into troubleshoot, you're going to press in reset this PC, but keep my files. That's the main component. A lot of folks usually don't do that one, and they do a fresh clean and then they try to go into their files. That's not how or users, it's not going to work until you do the way I'm saying it. It's going to be basically reset this PC, keep my files, and then do the local reinstall, and you should be good to go. You will not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the like. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MoTutorials out. Peace.